If you are feeling anxious and stressed or experiencing ill health, unhappy relationships or financial problems, and you're not sure where to go to from here, then you're in the right place. Hi, my name is Deb Stephenson. I'm a teacher, master healer therapist, coach and mentor with 30 years experience in self-development and the founder of Love Soul Healing Energy Therapy. My mission is to create positive change in people's lives. I can assist you on your journey of inner transformation and connect you to your spiritual self so you can achieve your highest potential and life purpose. Becoming the best version of ourselves comes through purification and healing. There are no quick fixes to achieve this. We essentially heal the layers of illness, deepest wounds and anxieties and traumas in order to achieve a life of happiness, love and inner peace. When I started on a spiritual path many years ago, I was tired, anxious and miserable. I knew I had to do something. I needed to change. I began to work on myself to heal my fears and negative subconscious thinking and limiting beliefs. In no time, I started to feel the benefits and experience radical shifts in my thinking and how I was feeling. This has led me to where I am today, working at my life purpose and loving life, feeling inspired, happy and fulfilled. The thing that sets my work apart from others is that I believe that while we all have the ability to heal and grow, we have to grow beyond the mind and embody the wisdom of the soul. This is where we get to do our life purpose, which is what we are all here to do, living our dreams and passions. If you're ready to make a change, give me a call or visit my Love Soul Healing website and Facebook group for freebies, live meditations and other uplifting content. I am available for individual healing sessions, online or face-to-face, and group meditation classes and self-development courses and energy healing classes for beginners to advanced levels. I also run spiritual retreats to India. I look forward to hearing from you.